Hey, what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can register your own domain. So you may wonder, why do we need our own domain? We can easily use other people's domain, right? If you are blogging under Medium, you are using their own domain, right? You don't have to use your domain. There are three basic reasons why you want to register your own domain. The first one is your domain is your asset, right? If you are blogging under maybe Medium, right? You are helping Medium to build their brand. You are not helping yourself. So yeah, it's a brand. You want your own brand. It's a long-term business. Blogging is long-term. Building a website is a long-term business. Also, you have control over your own domain. So if one day you want to sell your website, you can do that if you are doing it under your own domain. But you cannot do that if you are blogging under Medium. And that's the key difference between using your domain and using others, right? And the service I recommend you to use is called Namecheap. So you can go to nicktsai.com/namecheap to register your domain. So how to come up with a great domain name, right? So you don't want to name your domain like kjz.com. People cannot remember that. You want to make it easy to remember and easy to spell. So you don't want to use like I don't know, just like some random words from dictionary. People don't even know the word exists. It's hard for you to build your brand if you're using those hard words. Using tangible, easy to remember word can help you build your brand. So you want to create a domain name which is brandable, right? People can remember that, they can remember, and they can share with others. And try to register .com, .net, .edu because those are high authority domain. And the fourth one is you have to avoid general keyword or highly competitive keyword. For example, maybe you want to register a domain like howtoloseweight.com. The problem is there are already a lot of websites try to compete for this keyword. So even though you got howtoloseweight.com, and you will still cannot find yourself on the search result because when people are searching how to lose weight, people cannot find your site because there are already CNN, Wikipedia, Facebook, YouTube. There are thousands of websites competing for that keyword. So try not to register a general keyword. So you can try to combine your target keyword. Maybe you want to targeted keyword how to lose weight, but you want to add some brandable item to that. Maybe you can say lose weight ninja, right? So when people are searching for lose weight ninja, you will show on the top result because most people they will not type in your domain on the search bar. They will type in your brand name on the search bar. So that's why we want a memorable and easy to remember, easy to spell, and not highly competitive keyword on your domain. So what happened and what should we do if the domain is taken? And it happens all the time. Like I got a great domain name, but it's already taken. What should I do? Well, you can actually make an offer to the owner, say, hey, I want to buy your domain. Or you can try to use different words, try to use the synonym, right? Don't use the same word. Also, you can use the similar name, but use the my, I, our. You can add it at the front of the keyword because those like register company like Namecheap, sometimes when they found a great keyword, a great domain name, they will buy it themselves and try to sell it, right? So if you really want the domain, you can buy it. But if it's not that important for you, try to do some tweaks, try to use your creativity to create your own name. Also, you can add blueprint, formula, guidebook at the end of the word. So it make it different and so that you can register the name. So right now, let's show you how you can register your own domain under Namecheap. So here we are at Namecheap. So you can register your own domain under Namecheap. So all you have to do is you can see the search bar there. Then you type in the domain name you want here. So maybe nicktsaicourse.com. Then you type and you click on search. Then it will show you if this domain is available. And yes, you can buy that right now. You can add to cart and buy it. But what happens if it's already taken, right? So let's say you want to buy maybe my domain, nicktsai.com. So it will show you it's taken. So you can either change to buy nicktsai.org, or you can just make an offer. So you can negotiate with me, see how much money you want to pay to Nicktsai for nicktsai.com. So this is just an example, right? Also, if you want to buy things like weight loss, because if weight loss is really highly competitive keywords, so most of the time it's taken. So if we really want weight loss in your domain name, you can try to add something like the, I, my. So yeah, the weight loss is still taken, and you have to pay premium price for that. So you can still try to say weight loss, maybe magic, weight loss, black magic. So yeah, right now we got a domain that we can register. So use your creativity to come up with a name that people can easily remember and it's brandable. So after we got the name, we just add to cart and we can check out. So we can view our cart. So you can choose if you want to auto renew or not. And you can choose you want to turn on like who's guard. So it will show if you turn this off, people can easily know who you are. They know who owns this domain, right? So then you can just confirm order, and you have to pay using either PayPal or your credit cards, right? So you have to log in, right? So that's it for how to register your own domain under Namecheap. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.